Well, hello YouTube. Well, I'm outside on this bitter night. I just checked the temperature. It's 24 degrees out. It's pretty windy, and we got snow. Why am I filming out here on this bitter night, you ask? Well, I have something to show you. It's kind of hard to see, isn't it? I'll have to bring it into the light. A homemade bird feeder I made out of an orange juice container. Now, I made this bird feeder, one, to feed the birds, because I'm going to do some winter bird watching to treat my winter fever. Now, before you ask questions, I'll explain what winter fever is. Winter fever is not a fever like you would get with the flu. It's a condition. It's not genetic, but it's basically cabin fever, which I'm sure many of you have probably heard of that, where you feel like there's nothing to do, you're too anxious, but the snow prevents you from doing much. So, I decided to see what birds I could see around the house. Now, the bird seed I'm using is called Finch Mix. I picked it up at the local Ace recently. Yesterday. And hoping to see a cardinal, but any bird will do. But you know, it's freaking bitter, it's windy, and that wind sure doesn't feel good. Oh, here comes another gust. Alright, I'm getting back inside. This wind is killing me. It's just killing me. So I'm getting back inside. Alright. That's better. So, yeah, I made a homemade bird feeder. So, we'll see if I can find any birds there. But thought I'd give you a brief video and talk, just so that way I can add some content to my channel. Keep my subscribers subscribed or whatever. Thank you for tuning in, and have a happy Thanksgiving.